Hindi ya kigomano kia rugamiriria thothaiti itiganite mawatho meru maria makirie kugathikirwo thothaiti ni mathiete na mbere kurutirwo mawoni arugamiria makiuga hari bata mambiririe kurutithio wira indi maria marathararia wiathi wa thothaiti magerekwo keri kuringana na murugamiri munene wa ngwataniro ya rugamiriria thothaiti Daniel Marufe watho wa kunyihia miaka ya rugamiriria thothaiti ni undu ngithararia ruti wa wira wa thothaiti itiganite.
We have experiences from around the globe. And you find that some of the cooperative leaders that we have out there are as old as 90 years old. So really, as long as members elect you into the leadership of the cooperatives, we should not talk about the age as if we are talking about employment. It's in employment where we talk about the age limits, but not when it comes to cooperative leadership.
Ningi Marufe ni ugite hari bata guthingata sako ciothe inyamariti ya igithia kuona undu uyu wa guthukia ritwa riega ria ruhonge ruru ruria ruthiite na mbere guteithiriria muingi.
Non-remittances of employees salary deducted by the employer and the employer don't remit that money to the SACCO is the biggest challenge we have at the moment.
Proposal had been that we have some form of limitation of tenure of office bearers to no more than 2 terms of 5 years. We considered representations and said we leave that open. It will be decided by the respective members of the cooperative movement.
Kwa ihinda riri mawatho maya makirie gukinyio mbere ya nduthi ya maminista wakamwira makinyaniirio gwikirwo gatheti-ini ya thirikari. Handu-ini ha metha ya Unjuri ya Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Bataru wa Mwangi.